Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you all how to make this cute photo frame which is made of shells and quilling strips. So let's get started. So to make this we need 12 centimeter by 12 centimeter cardboard size, and we need 2 of such cardboards. Now the second cardboard sheet, measure 1 centimeter from each side and cut the center square so you get something like a frame. Now you'll need to glue on the first. Just glue on the 3 sides, not leaving the 4th side, and just paste it onto the second frame, which is the cardboard. Let this dry, and till this dries I'm gonna show you how to make these cute quilling flowers which we are gonna need for this thing. For this particular flower we need half a strip of the 0.3 mm quilling strip and 0.5 mm, half a strip of the 0.5 mm quilling strip with cuttings on it which are required to make the French flower. Go ahead and quill the entire thing. For this particular video or this particular size frame, I needed 7 of, as you all can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different colored patterns and strips. So here you're done. Glue it up tightly and then just spread off the frames and press the center portion, and here you're done with your quilling strips. Now after your similarly you can make the other flowers also. I have all my flowers ready out here. Now with the open side facing upwards, I'm gonna put glue on both the sides and not on the upper side, and paste my flowers. Here we go. Now you'll need to keep this for drying. Next is the horizontal 2 frames on which I'm gonna put shells. So if you really, these are my collection of shells which I've been keeping since a very long time, and if y'all guys do not have shells, y'all can use other things. Y'all can complete the entire frame using the fringed flowers. Next you'll need to keep it drying for like a very long time because the shells take quite some time to dry off and to stick on. So I think the glue should also be adequately put so that these do not come off. So here it is, the completed version of the photo frame. The only thing which is left is the back piece, and the back piece really does not have to be anything. You can just use a cardboard and fold it twice and just stick it up so that it make a triangle out of the cardboard and just stick it on the back so that it forms like a thing. So yes, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching guys, and please like, share and subscribe, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.